Hey everyone, so you want to boost your PC's performance but stuck between upgrading your RAM or your GPU. What if I told you in some cases that a RAM upgrade could give you a bigger performance boost than a new graphics card? I upgraded from a G.Skill FlareX5 6000 megahertz to a To TCreate 6400 megahertz with tighter timings, and the results was phenomenal. Why did I want to upgrade in the first place? And to be honest with you, I was at Micro Center in search of a RTX 1590. There was some in earlier that day, however they sold out as quickly as they came in. So I decided, well, maybe there's a chance that I could do a memory upgrade and be okay. Let's see the results.
Job's done. Thank you.
She's all yours.
How about I drive you
I'm
home,
beat
huh?
as it is.
Oh, almost forgot. Should get Wakako on the holo. Tell her the job's done.
V, how did it go? Our client is alive. V, how did it go?
Of course she's alive and well.
Our client
What we
is
agreed,
alive
isn't
and
it?
well. Splendid. Your payment awaits you. Ready to
Of
come
course
and
she's
grab
alive and
whenever
well.
you like.
What we
Give it
agreed,
right
isn't
away. Splendid. Your payment awaits you. Is the ready to come and grab whenever you like. Give it right away. The NCPD has surrounded Watson. Is the only place you wish to be now. If you're to make it past the NCPD has surrounded Watson.
Thanks for the heads up.
Is closed.
Swing by to
If
see you
you're
later.
to make it past
Word's
the
out, the
border, you
NCPD is
must
gonna put
move
Watson
fast.
on lockdown. Thanks for the heads up. I'm gonna sleep in my own bed
Swing
tonight.
by to see
We better
you
put it in fifth. Word's out, the NCPD is gonna put Watson on lockdown. If I'm gonna sleep in my own bed tonight, we better put it in fifth.
Leave it to me, chica. I'm driving.
So there you go. Those were the results of that RAM upgrade, and I was impressed. So before you drop hundreds on a new GPU, check your RAM usage. If you're constantly hitting between 90 and 100%, a RAM upgrade could be a performance boost you've been missing, or could be the performance boost you've been missing. What do you think? Have you seen bigger gains from RAM or GPU upgrades? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.